These are the uses of timbers. Timber. Timber is a natural product of solid wood or tree, which has been sawn into suitable sizes for building and construction purposes. These are twig, leaves, crome, branches, root, trunk. The structure of a tree. These are medullary rays, annual rings, pith or medulla, heartwood, sapwood, cambium, bast, bark. The tree trunk showing growth ring. Meanings of the parts labeled. Medullar grag, these are the thin horizontal veins radiating from the pith towards the barks. Annual rings, the rings of woody fiber arranged in concentric circle around the pith are known as annual G. Angs. Pith and medulla is a dark spot in the center that contains the wood cell. Heartwood is the older, inactive, non-functioning wood at the center of the tree, surrounding the pith. Sapwood, it contains the beast's structural timber characteristics. Cambium, the cambium call layer is the growing part of the trunk. Bast is the path immediately under the bark of the tree and it surrounds the cambium layer. Bark is the outermost protective covering the cell and woody fibers on a tree. Conversion of timber. Timber conversion is the process of turning a log into a pile of a saddle plank or board. These are ordinary sawing, radial sawing, tangential sawing, quater sawing. Ordinary sawing is been moved backwards on the platform of a saw. Radial sawing, the sawing is done parallel to the medullary ray and perpendicular to the annual rings. Tangential sawing, the sawing is done at the right angles to the medullary ray and tangential to the annual rings. Quater sawing, the log is first divided into form quadrants. Hardwood. Hardwood is wood from dicot trees. These are usually found in broadleaf temperate and tropical forest in temperate and boreal latitudes. They are mostly deciduous, but in tropics and subtropics mostly evergreen. These are banta, obum, beech, mahogany, ash, oak. Softwood. The wood is used for conifer such as pine, fire or extinguished from that of braidleaf tree. Examples of softwood are pine, fir, wawa, etc. Types of shakes. There are different types of shakes. These are heart shakes, star shakes, frost shakes, cup shakes, ring shake.